So this is just going to be a short video, guys, because next week, if you didn't know, the new DJI Neo is coming out onto the market on the 5th. Now, where I live is coming out, I believe, 9 AM in the morning. So I could press the button to order it, because I'm not one of the YouTube gobs. They won't send me one to try out. And I can assure you, the DJI gods will be saying, it's amazing, it's a fantastic drone, you guys got to get it. It's a selfie drone. It's so light. Now, when I bought the Mavic Mini, that was the first of the Mini series. Forget about the Spark, the first of the Mini series, it was rubbish in the wind. I'm talking about, it's a little bit windy today. It couldn't cope. And that weighed, I should know it, shouldn't I? I think it's 240 grams. No, 250 grams. But it was rubbish in the wind. Rubbish in the distance. Rubbish in... I mean, I hardly flew it, to be honest. I've flown it a couple of times. It's on the shelf, really. It was like a prestige of the Mini series. But this DJI Neo drone, you know, it's obviously they're trying to keep up with the hover drones that are out at the moment. They've got the Hover Pro, it's going to be 8K. It's still it's a selfie drone, and I'm not into selfie stuff. If I want to do a selfie, and I do it a lot, I'll do it on my phone. I mean, I could put some propellers on this, and this would be the Apple flying drone, maybe, I don't know. I wouldn't want to fly this because it'd smash it up. But it'd be interesting to hear you guys, what are you going to get the DJI Neo? And it'd be, why are you buying the DJI? Are you buying it because it's another DJI product, a bit like the Apple products? Or you like the concept of it, it's supposed to be nice and light, easy to put in your pocket, and it does so many things. It's like an AI sort of drone, as they say. We'll have to wait and see. I mean, you can safely say there's going to be more to follow on the DJI Neo. There's going to be a DJI Neo Pro, maybe a DJI Neo X1Z. But I'm going to say now, I won't be getting it. So don't worry, I won't be making any videos on the DJI Neo. Even, to be honest, and I know they won't, even if they sent me one, I'll put it up for a raffle. Anyway, there'll be another video coming very soon.